Hey traders, this is Scott Barkley with ProAct Traders, and I do a lot of videos to help retail traders get better. And just finished this one, so you might want to take a look. Keep them nice and short so they're understandable, digestible, and they really help you. I'm the author of the Empowered Forex Trader: Strategies to Turn Pains into Gains, available on Amazon. Have 24 years experience trading and training in the Forex. So maybe I got something that's worth listening to. Hope this helps you. I'm going to show you this. This is actually a live chart, but I'm going back in the past here. And you can see right here that you've got a little ABC right here. All right, so there's an A, there's a B, and a C. All right, two closing reverses right there. Okay, so that's your first clue that you're going to go to target, which is up here, which is the ATR. It's 158 pips away. All right, so I'm going to click it here and show you what the strategies are. I'm on a 10-minute chart. By the way, don't use a 5-minute, don't use a 15. A 10-minute is a perfect chart. Now you're stuck on MT4, so you have to go to a 5, but you don't want to. Let's put it that way, right? So this is called a break, hook, and go. Anytime a significant barrier has to be broken in order to continue a move, all right? What the bankers do is they break the barrier. That sends the signal. Then they hook back to get all the people who missed it. And then they go. It's called a break, hook, and go. So I'm just going to click this thing, and you can see here, there's the break. Okay, we got a break, and it keeps going up. We're looking for the hook back down. There's the hook back down. All right, now you're interested. All right, so now you can see they stalled for just a second, and then up we go. All right, now on your chart, you won't have these momentum signals that tell you, yeah, you're going up, yeah, you're going up, but you will still be able to see the pattern. Okay, so they've committed to the up move. All right, and I'm just going to follow it up here and just go slowly but slowly. Okay, now here's another break here. See, this had to be broken here. So they broke. See the little red candle right here, little dinky red candle right there. That's the hook. And there's the go. Okay, so it was a break, hook, and go here, and there was another break, hook, and go because they had to take this level out once they took it out. So there's two of them right there. All right. How often does this happen? Over 90% of the time, folks. All right. So there you go. All right. So we'll keep moving it, and we're headed to target, which is 158 pips away. All right. So there we go. And this is live, and you'll see as soon as we get here. See, it's live. All right? See it moving right there. All right. So that's today's trade on pound yen. All right, one of your clues was MACD, gave you a hint that yes, it's going up. All right, so just start practicing. How many does it take? Takes 300 of them. You go do 300 break, hook, and goes, you never have to think about it again. You'll automatically see it. All right, so break a significant barrier, hook back to it, and then go and see if you can get to target. Pretty quick, pretty simple. Hope that helps you.